I absolutely love it when you use the internet the right way and it leads you to gems and treasures in human form. And I mean that by saying people who are they just feel like they're part of your tribe. And I have felt like that many times on here, which leads me to this meal, which was inspired by a beautiful woman named Jenny Mack. I saw her making this meal on her page and I wrote in her comments, I'm making this meal, and me making this video is me holding myself accountable. I am so grateful to have come across that page and to have come across your video, Jenny Mac. Thank you so much for this inspiration. You'll see at the end that I really enjoyed this meal. It was so good. Thank you again, Jenny Mac, and to everybody who's watching this video. I hope you enjoy watching it. If you make this meal yourself, tell me about it. Tell me how you liked it. Okay, so here I'm gonna season the sweet potato. I'm just gonna drizzle it with some olive oil. And in the bowl, I have parsley, basil, onion powder, garlic powder, pepper. I don't think I have salt, but use what you like. I also do not have measurements. Use what you like, do what you like. You know what you like. You know how you like your food to taste. Next, onion powder, garlic powder. And top of the brown seasoning. I think this is a very good garlic. And just listen to the sizzle. Squeeze in some lemon. Yes, I got that seed out. It hopped out. And then this is a can of sardines. These are the leftovers. And then off camera, I put everything together in the bowl and I added some lemon juice, capers, and microgreens. We made it. Yeah, we like it.
Yeah. Yeah, you can write it.
my gosh. It tastes like the earth. Mm. That's what's left. It was really good. Definitely gonna save that for later.